Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using deep UK products. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and here are the close-up looks. So the first one is in the shade Dynamite, and this is a mix of chunky gold, silver, and rose gold foil in a black base. Next is in the shade Pana Cotta, and this is a milky white shade. And for the liquids, I will be using my Deep UK base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. You can also use acetone to dehydrate your nails. Next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but obviously if you want your manicure to last, you don't need to apply this on your nails. Next, I move on to my deep powder application. So first, I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the clear powder and top off the excess. So what I do is apply one layer of clear powder on all of my nails. This will just build up the thickness of my nails. Then once I'm finished with one layer of clear powder, I brush up all the excess and then I move on to my colored powder. So first, I will be applying the Pana Cotta on my ring, pinky, and thumb, and I will be applying 2 coats of this shade. This powder is really smooth and it's very easy to apply. If you are looking for a nice milky white shade, you should check out Pana Cotta from Deep UK. I will be putting their link in the description box below. And I also want to quickly mention that I do have a discount code on their website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount on your total purchases. I will be putting all the information down in the description box. So once I'm finished with Pana Cotta, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my next shade, which is Dynamite. So first, I pour my powder into my tray just because it makes the application easier for me. So then I tap the tray a little bit to move all the chunky folds on the surface. And then I move on to the application. So first, I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail, and then instead of dipping my nails, I lay my nail on top of the powder. With this method, I will get a lot of chunky foil on my nail. So then I top up the excess powder, and then I also use a little bit of activator to flatten up the foils. So then I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my second coat. So I will be applying 2 coats of this shade on my middle and pointy nail. And I also want to mention that this shade is so pretty. I think that the Foil Milk Buff collection from Deep UK are very pretty and very easy to use. So once I'm finished with all my colored powder, I move on to my clear again, and this will just encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this, especially when you are using chunky bits on your nails. This will protect your design from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I spray generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera and then I brush up all the dust. And then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. At this point, you can also wash your hands if you want to. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat and I apply 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. I just use my No Wipe Top Coat just because I find that it gives more shine on my nails compared to my dip powder top coat, so it's just personal preference. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.